What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making low-carb lemon cookies. First, you want to take 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has been softened and combine it with 1/3 cup of sweetener, and then go ahead and cream those two together and add in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and then go ahead and mix those together. Then you're going to add in 2½ cups of almond flour. I like to add it in phases, along with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then go ahead and form your cookies. I like to do about 2 tablespoons each and flatten the top. And you're going to bake those in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 12 minutes. Mine take about 10 minutes. And there you have it, low-carb lemon cookies.